If you're an active family that's always on the go, you can never have too many ways to charge all of your devices. I got this power inverter. It has two AC adapters on here on the top, and then over here on the side there are two USB-A's and a USB-C. You can charge laptops, phones, devices, tablets. You could charge a drone. You could also power any appliances that you need to. I'm talking small appliances. You're obviously not going to run a refrigerator to this. And then you plug this into your cigarette lighter and start your car and you get power. Let's try this out. This is going to be wonderful if you go to travel sports, if you go camping or any place in the wilderness, hiking, that maybe you don't have a lot of options for charging devices. You never know when you're going to need something as a backup charger. So we're going to plug that into the cigarette lighter, and then you start your car. We're going to plug in this USB-C in here, and then plug it into my tablet. You push the power, and you can see it is powering on my tablet, which was completely dead. You can see right here it is up to 1%, so it is charging my tablet. Let's see if this will charge my laptop. I have the charging cord here. I'm going to put it into the charging port, and then here is the plug. I'm going to put this into the inverter, and you can see right here it tells you the volts that is just putting out, so you can tell if you have too many devices plugged into your inverter. Right here that it is charging. So far we've talked about all the devices that you want to charge, but how about if you want one of the conveniences of home but on the road? There's always that one person that has to have their morning coffee, and Starbucks is an hour away. So you can bring a little coffee maker just like this, and you could use the inverter to make your coffee in the morning. So let's start the vehicle, and we can plug this in. Now, some vehicles have a cigarette port or an auxiliary port in the back of the vehicle, especially like if it's an off-road type vehicle. So there we go, we have this plugged in. You would bring your coffee with you, bring your creamer with you, and have it in the cooler, and then press the button and it would be ready to go. Now, of course, I don't have any water in this, so it's not going to work right here, but you could totally do this. Now, most of the ways that you would use this car inverter are not really out of necessity. It's more out of convenience. However, with all of the medical devices that are run on your phone or on smartwatches, this does become a necessity. This car inverter is lightweight, so it's super easy to pack. It would fit nicely into a tote bag, a suitcase, or even maybe in your glove box or the console. Don't get stuck in the middle of nowhere with no way to charge your devices.